Hey Charmers, welcome to the Battle of the Burgers. Today we're gonna be trying plant-based burgers. The Impossible Burger versus the Beyond Burger. Are you ready to try this out with us?
So today we're trying the Impossible Burger versus the Beyond Burger
versus the Beyond Burger. There's a story about this. That was actually something I wanted to do because I've tried both of them, and I thought that it was interesting because one of them both were amazing, both tasted really, really good, but I thought it would be great to share with you which one, in our opinion, is better while we're trying this live, and we're gonna give you kind of like the example of, I wouldn't say example, the real, I would say the word, like, what am I saying?
What do you say?
First time I'm doing YouTube. Just a true opinion, raw, like we weren't paid.
Raw, uncut
yeah, I mean, I don't have any
about
friends
these.
working in any place. No one paid us. Did anyone pay you?
No, they did
The
not.
truth, though, the truth.
No, for real. No one paid us for this. We're not sponsored. We're just giving the uncut truth because Joe wants to know which one is better.
Which one is better? Exactly, let's do it.
Here we go.
I'm starving. I'm actually super duper hungry.
Hey guys, it's Amanda.
And Mel, and we're gonna try
Meatless meat.
So I guess today we're gonna try the Beyond and Impossible burgers.
I'm ready for my burger, bring it on. Yes.
All right.
So do we just like dig in?
Is any of them vegetarian?
They both are.
They're both are.
I told you I don't want. Okay.
I literally told you the video was trying to make burgers.
Looks beefier and juicier. As well, what do you? I mean, I feel
Well, I don't
Like-
really
like-
eat vegetarian, but I'm gonna be open-minded today. I'm gonna try it.
perfect. Well, cheers to that.
There you go.
I've never had meatless meat. I'm a hardcore carnivore. So I'm kind of nervous, but let's do it.
I'm not big on meat, so I think I'll like it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm big on meat.
Okay. So, I'll go with this one. Kind of looks betterly cooked.
You wanna try?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's do it. 1, 2.
This is not bad.
That's like a burger. Gotta give it to them. That's like a real burger.
Okay. I'm gonna start with this one because this one looks amazing. Like, hello.
All right. So I just try. I just go for one.
There's a ton of onions on this.
I still say I need meat.
This isn't meat. This, you can tell right away. This is not meat. It looks like a tuna. It's weird. Okay, let's try this. It's not bad.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, it looks pretty normal.
Which one are we gonna try first? This one or that one?
Yeah, let's go with this one. That one looks a little bit more intimidating. It's like fuller.
Okay.
Okay? Oh my God.
That's gotta be at least 2-3 times the size in the patty. So let's see. But size doesn't always matter, you know?
Tastes like a burger.
It tastes like a burger.
It's actually really good. Ooh.
But I'm gonna go for a second bite just to be sure.
This one looks like it's a little bit thicker than the previous meat. Not meat. But this one looks honestly like a real patty. You know, like this one looks like a thin patty that you can see that it's like maybe not really beef. But we're about to see how this one tastes.
Slightly flaky, but still kind of like beef.
That thing felt like a big salad. Let me try another one.
Let's try this. This one just looks like a big flat burger you'd get from like like fat burger at a gas station somewhere. I don't know. It's just like floppy and flimsy.
Yeah. That's doing it right there. That is good. But you can also tell it's the sauces though. Like I said, this one was a little drier, but I want to be like fair and just compare the meat. I think the meats are kind of similar. This one's thicker, obviously, but this one's got more sauces and more of the good stuff going on, you know. So let's try another bite.
Okay, so I'm kind of confused because they taste really good, but this one tastes just like a burger. Like this one, I'm not sure which one is this one, but legit tastes just like a burger that I prepared like at my house last week. That I did with like regular beef.
That actually tastes like a little bit like meat.
It's weird because it doesn't taste that bad. They really don't. If you were to look at it, because like I'm paying attention to it, it looks weird. But the actual taste, like I would, because if I'm buying fast food, like you're not really looking for quality. So that's why. But they're not bad. They're really good.
Okay, so let's do the next one.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I know, me
The
too.
next one looks more intense.
I know, it looks like fuller. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm scared.
I know.
It's like char-boiled. It feels like it's charred.
Well, I gotta be honest, I tried it and I'm done with it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
But like get into this, like this lettuce is so fresh.
Yeah, but that doesn't give points for Beyond Burger.
You're right.
That just give points to, what's the name of that? Second, tell you the name. It gives points to BurgerFi.
Yep.
I think it's really good.
Yeah, this one's really good.
This one tastes kind of like it's that kind of burger, but I still feel like there's something in the patty that is just more green, more natural. Like you can taste more protein, maybe. Not protein, but more like fibers, more fibers on it.
Would you recommend this to someone who loves eating meat?
Not if I like the person.
I would recommend this to someone that loves eating meat, because it's not way off, and it's, you know, arguably healthier.
I would say I like this one a little bit better than that one.
Yeah, I agree. This one's just more meatier and juicier almost. It's like thicker. It's got some beef to it.
Yeah, there are some chunks in this compared to this one, but I think
Because it's a lot thicker.
it's a lot thicker. That's true. I would say now, if you really want to get a good understanding of the meat taste, we have to take out everything from the inside and just purely just the meat, well, the fake meat. And then give our, because this time I do not feel any aftertaste in any one of them. They both feel great, but I feel like the taste is really engineered with everything else around this. When you put the ketchup on whatever sauces they're placing on this, all the toppings. When you actually take the meat by itself, and I had this with the Impossible Burger in the past, there is a very strong aftertaste that's not very pleasant, versus the Beyond Burger that did not have that.
I don't think I would recommend it because it's like I would just eat meat. I'd rather just eat the meat than this. But it's not really different. I don't think if someone like it's like for me, like since I don't really eat meat every single day, I don't think they would mind it. But for someone who does eat meat like every day, yeah, I don't think I would do it for sure.
It doesn't not taste like meat. Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't taste like a veggie burger.
It doesn't taste like a
or-
black bean burger or anything like that. It tastes
Yeah.
like if it was meat, but you know it's not.
And the consistency is a full burger consistency, right? Like, it doesn't feel like it's fake, if that makes any sense. Tastes good.
You know, I think I'd still
Clean
prefer
it and then
meat.
see. Yeah, well, now try it just like that, and then I'll do the same. I'm not just gonna tell you to do it, but then I don't do the same. I'll take a piece of it with nothing else.
I felt like I've accomplished something in my life. I tried it and that's it, and I'm good.
So never again?
Well, only if I'm dying from hunger.
Honestly, this one I would recommend it more to somebody who loves beef burgers, because this one, it gives me the real flavor of the burger. Like, I know for a fact that this is not beef, but this tastes just like beef. So I'm like in love with this one. This one is really good. I just feel like this one has more of like non-beef taste, like when you eat like vegan tacos, or when you eat like tofu or something like that, has that organic kind of feel, you know?
Would you recommend this to someone who loves eating meat? Yeah.
Well, I love eating meat, and I would recommend this to myself. So yes, like especially if like I was trying to cut back, or like, you know, do like once a week or something where I didn't want to eat meat.
The thing is that it's kind of unfair. This one's my favorite, but also this one's got more of the good stuff going on. It's got the good sauce. Like you could just tell, like some of the toppings and some like the bread and some of the other things are better on this one. But the meat itself, they're pretty similar. I mean, this one's thicker, you know what I mean? But if I try to set that aside, the quality of the meat, I think they're about the same. But if I had to pick just the overall thing, I would go with this one. Whichever one this one is.
That one is the Beyond Burger.
Beyond Burger.
They both taste the same. Like if we took everything out and just put
same.
the patty, they taste the same. It's literally just the toppings that make it better.
So, definitely recommend.
So, which plant-based burger is your favorite?
The second one for sure is my favorite.
So the second one you guys picked is the Beyond Burger.
Well, I am beyond impressed because I
Definitely.
love meat.
Which plant-based burger is your favorite?
I'm not sure. So which one is this? Because I think this is my favorite.
Beyond Burger.
That's literally beyond good.
I misunderstood the task. I thought it would be a real burger here and there.
So here it is. Now this is the Beyond Burger,
Yeah.
and this is gonna be the Impossible
Impossible.
Burger. Okay, which anything is possible.
Yeah.
Don't believe that.
Anything is
yeah.
possible.
I don't even like the name now. Just because the reason I wanted to bring those two was because it actually tastes, look, and feel like meat. The consistency. I've seen a video showing how they're making the Beyond Burger, and I think you should Google that, where they're making, it's all plant-based, both of them, but
Right.
they're showing how they're squeezing out all the redness out of a beet and placing
Right.
it there, and how they're taking a protein from the rice with the fat from the rice that makes it gooey just like meat, and the whole it actually looks like meat. So I wanted to try this, and it tastes like meat.
Alrighty, Charmers. So this is it for the final video. We had so much fun trying the Impossible and the Beyond Burger, and like seeing like all of our reactions was really funny.
Totally. And like, honestly, I'm really surprised with how good they both were.
Yeah.
And if you're a hardcore carnivore like me, don't be afraid to go and try something meatless, because you
Fire.
might be pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, and there's not only burgers. There's also like
Yeah.
ground beef, like meatballs, chicken, and it can all be plant-based. So
Well,
like,
it won't be chicken.
no, there's like chicken, but it's like plant-based chicken. If you really wanted to go plant-based, you really could. But start off with this, because I think this would be like a good start. Be like, whoa, damn, this is
Yeah,
really good.
this would definitely be like a great like transition if you're trying to be more plant-based or just
Yeah.
eat less meat in general.
Eat less red meat.
It was really good. Let us know if you guys have your own like plant-based favorites.
Yeah.
I'd definitely be open to trying more.
And we have to trick people.
I
I'm gonna trick
know.
my fiance
Yeah, if you
because
guys
he loves
trick
burgers.
people.
I'm gonna trick him
Yeah.
with the Beyond one, because I think that I can get away with, and I'm gonna give it to him and see what he does.
Yeah.
Trick people, and then
Yeah.
maybe they can. That opens a window to someone becoming plant-based. Who knows?
Yeah.
These were fire.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time, Charmers. Bye.